What's up people, we are here with Jabra Elite 75T, which are the upgraded version of the 65Ts and the 65T Active. So today we are going to unbox this and check whether this is worth an upgrade or not. Features of Jabra Elite 75T is it can be connected to multiple devices at a time, and it has up to 7.5 hours battery life and 28 hours with charging case, and you can customize your music. You have 2-year warranty, and the voice assistant enable like Siri and Google Assistant. And if you download the Jabra Sound Plus app, you can enable additional features of Jabra Elite 75T earbuds. So let's start the unboxing. There's a top-notch packing of Jabra Elite 75T. Welcome to superior sound. This is it tells get started, download the free Jabra Sound Plus. It's the same thing out there. But you can personalize your calls and music experience, register your earbuds for a 2-year warranty. So here are the Jabra. These are more compact and small. It's very tight fitting. It's a very good upgrade by the 65T. So here is the case of Jabra Elite. And this is also a smaller version of Jabra Elite 65T. Let's get it open. And here are some additional earbuds and the charger for Jabra Elite. The additional earbuds. And